You are South African woman, true African proud woman. Let me hear one more time. Put your hands up. Africa, Africa, dalalka, midabka, walada ayani guna quruxda, ala dabanka, dararka, daya nurukiya ilwadka, umadhiga qayrkooda sharafta, walada ay quruxda iyo hananka, Zambia, Somalia, kartida iyo dhaqanka iyo edabta, umadhiga dhigooda sharafta, wanu bogay hablahana Afrika, dabanka, dararka, daya nurukiya ilwadka.
Oh yeah, rise up African woman, definition of a party now. Rhyme so hard she a hustler, skin tone my woman, true African proud woman. Rise up African woman, definition of a party now. Rhyme so hard she a hustler. You think you're the head of the house, but she a backbone of the whole plan.